Today we're going to be learning about symmetry, but the first thing we're actually going to be doing is talking about transformation. Who can tell me in the chat, who knows what transformation is? Who can tell me what transformation is? Bonolo, what do you think transformation is?
Ma'am, I think transforming is it's transporting something to from one place to another, or changing it.
Excellent. Okay, good. Like, let's say, for instance, you know, I take a shape and I move it from one place and I put it in another place. That's something like transformation. Carrie, what do you think?
I think that it is, I think that transformation is a process that manipulates a polygon or other two-dimensional object.
Okay, good. So we're doing a bit of manipulation. That also sounds like you're reading from a textbook, but that's fine. That's fine. Yes. So what we're basically doing, guys, is we're changing something. We're taking it from one place and putting it in another place. Okay. Or we're taking it and we're flipping it up or flipping it down, or we're rotating it around a point, something like that. That just means we're taking something and either moving it somewhere or basically changing what it used to be from what it is. Okay. And everybody who's saying changing from one place to another, yes, or changing the thing itself into something else. Okay, but before we get into that, we're going to be looking at symmetry. Okay, so we're going to look at this shape over here, the one that I'm calling A. Okay, I'm going to call this one B. And I want you guys to tell me, what is this shape called? This shape at A. What is it called? Guys, tell me in the chat. Does anybody know? Omolime says rhombus. Monde says quadrilateral. Monde, you're right. It's a quadrilateral. Be more specific, though. Zizolo, also, you need to be more specific. Thank you, Buhle and Mutevang. Hi, Enoch, I see you. Thank you, Rolivua. It is. It's a trapezium. Good. It's a trapezium. Okay, no problem, Enoch. Hello. Good. It's a trapezium or a trapezoid, whichever way you call it. Okay, so now if I want to look at this shape over here, and I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, I'm going to cut it in half right down the middle like that. Okay, and what you guys will notice, let me see if I can't move this shape over here. Nope, that's not working. Oh no, I'm doing a terrible job again, Teacher Cat. I don't know. I tried.
Me, I can guarantee you.
I tried. Okay. That's okay, Justin. Thanks for coming. All right, guys. So what's happened here, or what's supposed to have happened here, is that this shape over here looks exactly like this shape over here. Okay. Yes, Junior, you may. Okay. And this, what we have over here, the shape that we've got over here, okay, this is called a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Okay. And what a line of symmetry does is it cuts a shape in half. It doesn't have to be exactly vertical. It can be horizontal or diagonally. And it makes sure that this side over here looks exactly like this side over here. Okay, so this line here in the middle is called a line of symmetry. I want everybody to write in the chat for me, line of symmetry. I'm even helping you guys with the spelling because symmetry is a really tricky word. Thank you very much, Karabo. You skipped an M. Karabo, I gave you the spelling, dude. Come on. Hi. Thank you. Excellent. Karabo, let's try again. I'm even giving you a cheat sheet and we're still spelling symmetry wrong. Come on, dude. Okay. We'll let you watch the videos on the website. Saneliso says, yes, it must be a broken line. It's just that I can't draw a broken line, but I will in just a second. Okay, so what Saneliso is saying, excellent. Saneliso, it's not a line of summary, it's a line of symmetry. Be very careful. Okay, line of symmetry. Okay, good, Balesa. It makes a mirror image. So the left-hand side looks exactly like the right-hand side. Okay, but Saneliso is quite right. This line should actually look like this. It should be like a dotted line, like that. Okay. Saneliso, not symmetry, symmetry. Okay, symmetry with the Y. Okay. Now, guys, I want to ask you, if I drew another line like this, it is like a reflection, Tehila, yes. If I drew a line like this, is this red line a line of symmetry? Yes or no? Ooh, I'm getting quite a lot of conflicting answers. Okay, I see yeses, I see nos. Okay, we can always check. Okay, does this shape over here, does this shape look like this shape? Are they the same shape? No, they're not. They're not the same shape. So the red line that I've drawn is not a line of symmetry. It's not, because it doesn't break the thing up into two shapes that look exactly the same. This is not a line of symmetry at all. Okay, it's not. What about if I drew it this way? What if I drew it this way? Is that a line of symmetry? Yes or no? Okay, I'm still getting somebody saying yes. Karabo, be very careful. Still no. It's no, because if we look at it, this shape over here is not exactly the same as this shape. They're not the same. They are not the same. So the answer is no. Okay, so I'm going to ask you guys now, how many lines of symmetry does this trapezium have? How many lines of symmetry? Oh, I'm trying to keep up. Thank you. I see it. Sia, if we look at this, there's only one. You guys are right. There are two shapes, but there is only one line of symmetry. Exactly one. Okay, there's one line of symmetry. Now, let's look at this, at number B. How many lines of symmetry can we find on this triangle? Babalo says 1. Everybody says 1. Are we sure? Kerry says 0. Tehila also says none. Kunal says 2. Or is it Kangwa? Can't tell. You guys are typing so fast. Okay. Okay. All of you guys who say 1 or who say 1, I agree with you. Jaden, you have to choose. Is it 1 or is it 0? Okay, you're going to have to choose one. Okay, the reason why I say 1 is because if I try to draw a horizontal line, no, that doesn't give me a line of symmetry. Nope. If I draw a vertical line, nope, that's not a line of symmetry at all. But I know that if I draw a horizontal line, that one that way, not a horizontal line, a diagonal line, no, it's not. However, if I draw it this way, from here to there, that way, this shape ends up looking like this side of the shape. Okay. So how many lines of symmetry does this shape have? 1. Exactly 1. Okay. I hope that makes sense. Let's look at this one. This one over here. How many lines of symmetry does this? By the way, what is the name of this shape that we're looking at over here? What's the name? Thank you, Karabo. It's ooh. Amohelang, be careful. How many sides does it have? I'm seeing hexagon, octagon, pentagon. Okay. Is it an octagon or is it a hectagon? Okay. Teacher Katsanele says he can't hear me. Please help. Okay, it's an octagon. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sides. So, like an octopus has 8 legs, it's an octagon. 1, 2. This one goes through there. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I definitely missed 2 because there should be one through here, 7, and another one through here, 8.
There we go.
Okay, and all of these will break the shape up into symmetrical or the same shape everywhere. Okay, there's supposed to be 8 of them. So if you said 8 lines of symmetry, you are 100% on the money. And I, on the other hand, have no idea what I did, even though I literally just did this a second ago. Okay, excellent, guys. Well done. All right, we're going to learn something completely new today. So I need you guys to put your thinking caps on. Okay. All right. So what we're actually looking at over here. Oh, Yonella, don't be like that. You'll be fine. I promise. We'll be okay. All right. What we're looking at over here is a coordinate plane. Okay. We call this a coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. Okay. And what we're going to be looking at here is calculating for coordinates. Now, coordinates are exactly as they sound like. Okay. They're going to tell us almost like on a map where we are going on this coordinate plane. Okay. Now, you guys will see that I have, let me change the color here. I have an X over here at the end of my arrow. And this X over here represents my horizontal line. Do you guys see the horizontal number line? It starts here at -5 and it goes all the way to +5. Do you guys see it? Okay, I hope everybody's seeing it. And up top here, I've got a Y. Excellent. I've got a Y here. And this is my vertical line. Okay. And it goes all the way from -5 all the way up to +5. Okay. Now, when we look, comma, it would be very advisable for you to draw this so you don't forget. We're going to be looking at it in a little bit more detail on Wednesday, but it's fine. You can draw it if you need to. Okay. Now, when we're reading our coordinates, we're always going to look at our horizontal line first, or our X number first, the number of our X. And then after looking at the X number, we're going to look at the Y number, so the vertical number next. And when we write this down, I need you guys to write it exactly like this. Write it like this, exactly the way it's written over here. And what I mean by that is when you give me a coordinate, you need to give me this round bracket and then a number and then a semicolon and then a number and then another round bracket. No, Mahlubi, it's a plane. It's not a plan, it's a plane. Okay, the exact way that I've spelt it, it's a plane, not a plan. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys an example. Those of you with your hands up, can I ask you to put your hands down until I'm done, and then we'll get to your questions. Okay, we'll get to your questions in just a bit. All right, so I'm looking at this number over here, 2, 3. So my 2, oh, look at what color I'm using now. I wanted pink. Where's pink? Okay, there. My 2 over here is my X value. So I'm going to go onto my horizontal line and I'm going to go look for 2. And I'm going to make a dot at 2. Okay. And then my 3 is my Y value, which is on my vertical line. So I'm going to look on my vertical line, the one that goes up or down, and I'm going to go look for 3. remove that. I'm going to go look for 3 and I'm going to put a dot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move them. I'm going to move the vertical dot that way and the horizontal dot that way until they meet at a point. So I'm going to take my 3 and I'm going to go move it this way and take my 2 and move it up. And this spot right here where they meet, right there, that is my point 2 and 3. That's my point 2 and 3. Do you see how when I wrote it, I opened a round bracket and I put a 2 and then a semicolon, a 3, and then I closed my bracket. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, if I asked you guys for 3, big brackets first, and 4, what does my 3 represent? Where am I going to find my 3? On which line? My X line or my Y line? Tell me in the chat. Excellent, Karabo. Excellent, Amahelang. Excuse me. Whew, I'm dying. Okay, we're going to find it on my X line. So I'm going to go to the X line. No, red. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to look for the number 3. Excellent. Okay, and then where am I going to find the 4? Where am I going to find the 4? Inam says, ma'am, why do you say it's X? Because this line that we're looking at over here, this line is called X. The name of the line is X. And that's why we say it's on the X line. Okay. Then we're going to look for 4 on the Y line. So I'm going to go up 4. And then I'm going to join them together. This way. And I'm going to take this one this way. And then that point where they meet, which I should actually make purple because red and blue make purple. Okay. This point over here is going to be 3 first and then 4. Okay. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling about this? Excellent. Amahelang, you did so great. Amazing. Omolema, I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to answer it. Okay. Excellent. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Now we're going to look at this one, this last one. Okay. This one. -1. And I'm going to go to my X coordinate and I'm going to go look for -1. And -4 right over here. And I'm going to go look for, on this Y line, I'm going to go look for -4. And then I'm going to join them. Make that line there, come down. And this point here where they meet, that is -1 and -4. Now I want to ask you guys a question before we move over to our breakout rooms. Okay, I want to ask you guys a question. If I put a dot over here, there's my dot. What is my X value and what is my Y value? If I had to do that, what I would have to do is I would have to move this down like this. I would have to go, and I'm going to notice that my X value is at 1, and I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to notice that my Y value is at 3. Very well done. Who said that? Enoch. Excellent. The only thing Enoch forgot, that everyone is forgetting, thank you, Buhle and Tahila, you're forgetting your brackets. Good. Don't forget your brackets. So this X value is going to be 1, and the Y value is going to be 3. Rahil, the other way around. Okay, well done, Bonolo. Well done, Amohelang and Saneliso. Amazing stuff. Well done. Okay, we're going to be going into breakout rooms now. I want everybody to just, before we go into a bit of a panic, okay? No, Kanye, always X and then Y. Okay, the horizontal line and then the vertical line. Okay, Inam, if you're still a bit confused, we're going to go into a breakout room now, and then either I or Teacher Cat will explain in a little bit more detail. Okay. All right, so here's what's about to happen. Something is going to pop up on your screen. Okay, very well done, Kangwa. Something is going to pop up on your screen and it's going to ask you to join a room. I just need you guys to click join now. That's all. Just click join now. And on the other side of that, you're either going to be there with me or Teacher Cat, and we're going to continue learning about the coordinate plane. Can I get the cool guy emoji in the chat if you understand me? Give me the cool guy emoji if you get what I'm saying. Thank you, Jaden. So fast. Thanks. Tell me, guys, 5. How much did you guys get? Tell me if you got 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5. If you got 5 out of 5, you're a whole rock star. I won't lie. 4. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Who's laughing at me? Devil, I see you.
That was cute.
That's okay. Jaden, I know you got 5. Well done. Guys, okay. Do you guys see how easy this is? Okay. I'm so glad. Oh, Onolo, I knew you could do it either way. Well done. Guys, this is so easy. Okay, if you need practice, just go look for one of these. Trust me, if you have grid paper, we all do in grade 7, we all have grid paper. Draw yourself an X. Okay, there we go. And a Y. And you're going to take that and you're going to learn all of that. Okay, teach yourself how to look for the X first and the Y value. We're going to do a very, very quick recap of everything. Now, we're going to do a quick speed round in the chat. I want to see who can get the correct answers. Okay, I hope everybody's ready. Okay, I'm going to erase everything. I don't want anybody cheating. Everybody must be able to give me the right answer in the chat. Let's see. First person to give us the right answer gets brownie points. Okay.
Okay, for a moment I thought you were going to say brownies. Man.
Brownie points. How am I supposed to? I'll eat the brownies on your behalf, Teacher Cat. Yeah, Karabo, I will also eat the sweets on your behalf. Don't worry. Okay, are we ready? I want to see who's going to give me the first coordinate, the correct coordinate with all the brackets and everything. Here we go. Go. Ooh, I'm seeing the wrong answers. I'm seeing the wrong answers in the chat. Give me the coordinate, guys. Oh, Tahila. Wait, Tahila. Oh. Monday. No, it's not there. Oh, Imange. Imange gets it. Well done. Imange got it. Amazing. Well done. Some of you guys just had it. Tahila, you swapped your Y and your X around. Monday, you forgot your round brackets. Okay. Well done, Amohelang. Okay, let's look. Our X value, if we go up, our X value is -2. And if we go to the side over here, our Y value is -3. So if I wanted to write this, I would have open brackets, -2, my X value first, and then -3. Okay, close brackets. I need that whole thing. Remember, guys, X value first, and then Y value. Always in that order. Okay. Akumzi, don't forget your brackets. Don't forget your brackets. Okay, excellent, Inam. Well done. Well done. All right, let's do another one. Are we ready? Okay. Okay. It is a grid, Nondumiso. It's a grid. Guys, you can't just say 0, 0. I haven't put anything on the screen yet. Okay. Okay, let's go. There we go. Let's see who gets it first. Yonela, you need to zoom in or zoom out. Okay. Zoom in or zoom out, guys. Oh, who got it? No. I see you. Saneliso. Saneliso got it. Amazing. Saneliso, well done. Yo, guys, you guys have fast fingers though. Okay, remember, guys, the X value first and then the Y value. So if I look for my X value, there's it. It's 2. Right. And then this way, my y value is going to be -5. So I'd open brackets, 2, semicolon, -5. Imanga says, ma'am, can we do another one? Teacher Courtney, do we have the time? Can we do another one?
It's up to you, Teacher Coco. We just need to run a poll at the end. But I mean, if you want to do another example, go for it.
Yeah, but there's no quiz. So definitely. Garabo says, we have all the time in the world. Garabo, we do not. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Everybody ready? Okay. Babalo, you can't just guess. You have to wait for me to give you one. Good. All right, let's go, everyone. Here it is. Go for it. Liano just missed it. You just missed it. Well done, Justin. I want to see who got it right. Lesero, well done, Lesero. Amazing. Lesero got it. Okay, let's look. First, we're going to start with our X value. Guys, remember, do not switch your X values and your Y values around. They need to be in the correct order. We go for my X value over here is -4. And if I go towards my Y value over here, it's 5. So this is going to read, open brackets, -4, semicolon, and 5. Close brackets. Don't forget to close brackets. Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. How are we feeling? Excellent. Amazing stuff. Oh, Inam says you typed too slow. Inam, if you got the right answer, that's the important part. Okay. If you got the right answer, that's great. All right, guys. We can run the poll now, Teacher Cat. I'm saying Teacher Cat, Teacher Courtney. We can run the poll. Thank you so much, guys. We're going to continue with this again on Wednesday. For those of you who are still a little stuck. Okay. Thank you, Teacher Nicole. I know it's because we're amazing. It is what it is. We're all amazing.